Welcome to Scape Darling House, your ultimate student living destination near the Sydney CBD. I'm Aman, let me show you around. At Scape Darling House, you have choices to suit your lifestyle. Whether you prefer a private studio apartment or a 2-bedroom studio apartment, we've got the perfect space for you. Enjoy an all-inclusive meal experience with Scape Eats. Our world-class chefs, hailing from diverse cultural backgrounds, prepare fresh, mouth-watering meals every day. Connect with friends in our TV lounges. Find the perfect study spot in our study rooms, or unwind on the rooftop terrace with your friends. Nestled near Sydney's iconic Darling Square and Darling Harbour, you're just moments away from museums, a variety of restaurants and cafes like the Paddy's Market and the Chinese Garden of Friendship. Living at Scape Darling House means everything is taken care of. With 24/7 security and an all-inclusive events program, your student life is designed to be seamless and secure. And did I mention it's also under 18s approved? At Scape, there is always something happening, and people make it happen. Experience the best of student living at Scape Darling House. Come and discover what makes us unique.